You are watching That Hiking Guy. Get you some.
All right. So, as I said in the end of my last video, I am not going to be backpacking for the summer. I am headed to go truck camp with my good buddy Trailmedic. It's an overcast day, possibility of rain, but that's okay when you're in a truck. So, on my way to Ferdinand State Forest, a place I've never been before. It's about 2.5 hours away from me, but we're gonna go check it out. Let's go. All right, we have made it to Ferdinand State Forest, and we're on our way now to the camp area. Looks like any other state forest so far, but I'm sure there's some beautiful things going on here. Okay, I have made it to Ferdinand State Forest, and I have to say, this state forest is a hidden gem. Man, it is beautiful, it is clean. There's a lake down there you can fish in, and it has just a very well put together campsite or campground. And I didn't even know this existed, but you've got mature trees. I'm just excited to show you how cool this place is. My buddy Keith told me that this was super clean, but I did not even understand what he meant there. So for the rest of this video, I'm going to be throwing in some video of just the different areas of this park today and tomorrow. I'm only doing it overnight, like I said earlier, but I highly recommend this place. This place is awesome. So I'll show you here in a bit. So I gotta go over here and pay for my camping tonight. So it's self-register. It's actually not a bad, it's kind of a good looking thing here. I've already filled out the envelope. You got great vault toilets here. So we're just gonna put our money in. Okay. So I think here in a little bit, I'm gonna take a drive down by the lake and check it out. We'll go down there and take some shots. It's just beautiful. I can't get over how beautiful it is here. We'll get that going here in just a little bit. All right, we just got back from down at the lake, and I tell you what, gorgeous place. I know I keep saying it. I'm sorry if you get tired of me saying that, but it's just a gorgeous place. So here in a little bit, we're gonna get some fajitas started. We're having fajitas, right? Yeah, Keith is gonna be making fajitas, and so we're gonna eat good. And this is what truck camping is all about. Not having something strapped to your back and almost dying in a tornado, but enjoying a comfortable camp out with some fire and some good food and good friends. This is, now don't mind you, I like the challenge of backpacking, but this is probably my favorite season right now of truck camping. But all right, enough rambling. We're gonna get started on dinner.
It's all right.
He's making my dinner. Well, I tell you what, I'll get my stove going.
Yeah, that'd be great.
I think he actually want me to help.
Multitask.
Well, you're doing that. I think he's doing.
Wow, it'll rain.
Yeah, you don't know how true it is.
A Trailmedic production.
I can film it again.
I'll tell you what. I can eat it without the sauce, personally.
Just more tomatoes, right? Okay, we're done with dinner and we're just sitting here waiting for it to get dark. We're gonna have a fire. This fire was left over from the Indiana meetup, the YouTubers meetup. We're gonna burn a little bit of it tonight. It's been a fun trip. It's only an overnighter for me, but man, I've enjoyed it. Good food, great views.
Good company.
Good company. I'm not gonna die in a rainstorm. It's not bad. More later. All right, we're gonna get a fire started. I've made a log cabin style, and so hopefully it'll work. I'm gonna use one of these zip cubes, and I got a bunch of sticks in the middle. So let's give it a try. What say you? The thing I like about these zip cubes for campfires is that you light the package and everything. All right, so we'll give it a few minutes. Well, good morning. Just woke up. It's about 5:30 my time. It's about 6:30 here in the central time zone. And slept really well in the truck. I didn't bring my Goal Zero this time, so Keith lent me his little ProLabs, his little Jackery knockoff there, to run my 12-volt fan. Pretty comfortable. And I think I'm gonna get up and walk around a little bit and see what this day brings. It's been a great trip so far. It's just been an overnighter, but man, much better than last weekend. can't believe I almost got through a whole video and didn't name drop a brand. But I ordered my Lone Peak 5s for the trail last weekend, and they arrived on the Monday after. So this is the first time I'm getting to wear them, and I like them. They're very comfortable. Well, I guess that's enough videoing this morning. I'm waiting for Keith to get up. I don't want to wake him up. But then I'm probably going to load up and take off. About a 2.5 hour drive. And it's going to be a good day. I don't think it's going to rain today. I think it's going to rain next week, though, but we'll see. I've enjoyed it. I love truck camping, man. Like I said, you eat better. I sleep better. You're not under a real time constraint to get miles done in a certain day. Yep, very enjoyable. Originally, I was going to stay home this weekend. I know I said that before, but originally I was going to stay home, or I was going to do something else, but at the last minute I decided to come. Ooh, breeze. Nice. Okay.